Hello children, so today we are going to learn about what is assertion and what is reasoning. So before coming to a conclusion, first let us learn what is assertion and what is reasoning. So what is assertion and reasoning? Assertion A, the short form is A, and reasoning short form is R. So assertion means a statement. It is nothing but a statement, whereas reasoning means it is an explanation about that particular statement. So here you should get a clarity about these two, then only you will be able to answer the question properly. So keep in mind, assertion is nothing but a statement, and reasoning means an explanation about that particular statement. So reasoning we are giving about that an explanation for this statement. The reasoning should be the explanation of this particular statement. This is the relation between assertion and reasoning. So always you have to remember and follow these steps. Look into the points that you need to remember when you are selecting this statement. So first, what you need to do in assertion and reasoning question, you must study. First, you must study the two statements which are labeled as A as assertion, R as reasoning. Then you must have to think, then you have to compare, and then you have to choose the correct answer only after studying these two labeled statements. Then only you can get into the conclusion. So these are the points which you need to remember when you are choosing a correct statement. So first you have to study, you have to think, you have to compare, and then you need to choose the correct answer. So now we are going to discuss some of the types of options which will be given to you to choose. So one such will be like both assertion and reasoning are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So let us see how is this statement correct. How we can say this statement is correct. So let us look into one such example. So assertion A. How is the statement of assertion? Let us look. Milk is a complete food. So this statement is true, isn't it? Milk is a complete food is true. So A is true. Reason. Milk contains all the nutrients needed by our body except vitamin C. So the reason what we are giving here is milk contains all the nutrients needed by our body except vitamin C. So this statement is also true. So A is true and R is true. As we can see here, we can say both assertion and reasoning are true, and R is also supporting the A, the statement A. So here what we can say is R is the correct explanation. This is the correct explanation for A. So this is the conclusion which we can come upon, because this statement is supporting this statement, that is R is supporting A. Then only we can say R is the correct explanation of A. When it is supporting, that time only you can say R is the correct explanation of A, and both are true. So let us look into the next example. How can we choose this statement? I will give you the explanation. So here the assertion is cockroach can fly, walk, run or climb. This is the assertion. So as we all know that cockroach can fly, yes it can fly, it can walk, yes it can walk, it can run, yes it can, and it can even climb. So this statement, this assertion is true. Now let us look into the reasoning. So the reason is cockroach has two pairs of wings. Is this statement correct? Cockroach has two pairs of wings? Yes, it has two pairs of wings. So reason is also correct. So this cockroach has two pairs of wing is the correct statement. But is it supporting this assertion? No, it is not supporting this assertion. It is not supporting this statement, as it has two pairs of wings. What is the connection between? Okay, we can say only flying, but what is the connection of the pairs of wings with walking, running and climbing? It has nothing to do with it, isn't it? The two pairs of wings have nothing to do with walking, running or climbing, whereas it can help the flight, isn't it? For flying it is helpful. And you can say that this statement is true, this statement is true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. As you can see, this both assertion and reasoning are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. This could be the answer for this example. So let us look into the next option, that is assertion is true and reason is false. So how can we tell this statement? So let us look into one such example. So here the assertion is the backbone consists of 33 vertebrae. As we all know, this is true, isn't it? The backbone consists of 33 vertebrae is the correct statement. And here the rib cage is made up of small bones called vertebrae. Is this the correct statement? No, this is false. So the rib cage is made up of small bones called vertebrae is false. So here you can easily say that A, that is assertion, is true and reason R is false. So this is very easy to identify, isn't it? There is no comparison, there is no support. This statement R is not supporting A, and this is true and this is false. So you can say that assertion is true and reasoning is false. So the next type of option is A, assertion is false and R, reason is true. So let us look into one such example. So here the assertion says, do not wear the life jacket if you are a good swimmer. So if you are a good swimmer, here it is said that we are not, if we don't wear a life jacket also, it is okay. So what it is saying, do not wear a life jacket if you are a good swimmer. Is it true? If he doesn't wear a life jacket, if you're a good swimmer, is it okay? No, it is not okay. If though you are a good swimmer or you aren't a good swimmer, you have to wear a life jacket when you're going into water. So this statement is false, isn't it? Do not wear a life jacket if you are a good swimmer is false. So assertion is false. So let us look into the reasoning. The life jacket will prevent you from drowning. So this the reason what it is giving here is the life jacket will prevent you from drowning, from going falling into the water. It will prevent you. The life jacket will not allow you to drown. It will not allow you to drown in the water. So this statement is true. So you can say R is true whereas A is false. So assertion, this statement is false, and R, this statement, the reason is true. So the next option is both assertion and reasoning are true. When can we say this? Let us look into one such example. Here let us look into the assertion statement. So here it says there are 5 main groups of microbes. So this statement is true. There are 5 main groups of microbes. This statement is true. Let us look into the next one, that is the reasoning statement. Some microbes are useful while others are harmful to us. So even this statement is true, isn't it? Some microbes are useful while others are harmful to us. So the assertion and the reasoning, both of them are true. In this way we can conclude this option. So the last option here is both assertion and reasoning are false. When can we say this? Let us look into one such example. So the assertion is a mixture of coconut oil and water can be separated by filtration. So is this true? By filtration can we separate the coconut oil and water? No, it is not possible. It is highly impossible. So this statement of assertion is false. So let us look into the next statement, that is the reasoning. The liquid that passes through a filter paper is called the residue. Is this true? The liquid that passes through a filter paper is called the residue. No, this is also false. The liquid that passes or the flows through the filter paper is called the filtrate, not the residue. What is a residue actually? It is the substance that remains on the filter paper. So this is wrong. The residue is the substance that remains on the filter paper, whereas the statement, the liquid that flows through the filter paper, that is a filtrate. So here it should be filtrate, not the residue. Even this statement is wrong. So the reasoning and the assertion both are false. This is the option which you can select after coming to the conclusion. So These were few of the examples of types of the options that are given to choose for you, and even I have given the explanation of what is assertion and what is reasoning. So I hope you people have clearly understood all these points, and if any doubts, any more queries, you can comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you children. Bye.